Ew! What is this? Is that hair?
Yep, it is. And it's made with a lot of dust, hair, pet fur, mold, and a sprinkle of pollen. Achoo! You might think that it all comes from the outside, but the indoor air can get 10 times worse because indoor pollutants are contained.
Hi.
And they allow themselves to build up over time. But there is a way to remove them with Panasonic air conditioners. Effectively removing not 50%, but 99% of all air pollutants.
I don't feel so good.
So, there you have it. All you need is the Panasonic air conditioner with Nano E technology.
Panasonic.